So my activity was basically providing students with a written paragraph in which there are certain words or phrases which are underlined, and then the students are supposed to substitute appropriate words or expressions in for those underlined areas. And I'm going to show you an example of this, but first I just wanted to say that this activity would be really good to get students to use vocabulary and to understand synonyms and basically changing, or how to change a word without changing the meaning. So this is an example I kind of came up with, and I gave a couple different variances as to what it could look like. So you could, it says a paragraph, but I wasn't going to write out a paragraph. So it says, a cat is walking across the street. So the student would have to change the underlined words, which are cat and street. I just picked two. Some could be longer, so they could do walking too. So the cat could be changed to basically anything. It could be a dog, a cow, a rabbit. It could be a person. Anything like that would make sense. That's kind of the goal, is that students understand what would make sense if I plugged it in here. So then if we wanted to do walking, we could say running, jogging, skipping. Basically anything with that kind of action that a cat, dog, cow, whatever could do. So obviously if we picked cow, you probably wouldn't pick skipping or jogging. Then the last word we had underlined was street. So that could be yard, cat. A dog was running across the yard, was running across the house, was running across a porch, etc. Any of those would work. So that was my activity.